iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. I, J, K, L, doing great. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for newt, newt. O is for owl, owl. P is for penguin, penguin. M, N, O, P, come along with me. Q is for quail, quail. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, snake. T is for tiger, tiger. Q, R, S, T, learning is fun. U is for urchin, urchin. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for whale, whale. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish. U, V, W, X, getting near the end. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Y, Z, you did it! Hooray! Now let's